What a day we had today. Everything is down. Nvidia, AMD, Apple, Google, QQQ, everything is crazy down. What do we do in the down days? We go hunting. So we're gonna go to Market Chameleon. We're gonna join, sign up if you haven't already, link in the description, 7 days trial, and we're gonna go over all the active trades and trade ideas. We're gonna go over all those red stuff. AMD down 10.2%, that's crazy. See what we got. Let's get started with this disclaimer. Feel free to read all about. My name is Ivo, also known as Finance After 40. This is not a financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. All that good stuff. With that being said, let's get started with Market Chameleon. So we're gonna go step by step. We're gonna click on Apple. We're gonna go on Trade Edge and then by win rate. You can do time. I like to find either this or this, and if it's all in red or yellow in here and red in here, means that the debit spread. I like to do the credit spread, so I like to collect the income. So I'm gonna pass on this. Apple down 2.5% today. I'm gonna go to top 3 by win rate, and we got 90%. Let's see what we got in here. Apple 228. Okay, what do we have for July 26th next week? Sell the 240 call, buy the 245, and you assume that Apple will be below 240, and you collect, let's say, $40 compared to $30, which is what you were supposed to collect based on history. So this is something to consider, that has a 90% win rate. Another one, but this is for a month from now. Sell the 225, buy the 220. I think we talked about it yesterday, and we're still above the 225 level, and we'll see what we got. But this has 90%, so that's interesting, something to consider. Collect $40, 10 basically 10 contracts is 400 compared to 300, and you're risking basically the difference, which is, let's say, 4,000 minus 400, so 3,600. Collect 400, that's supposed to be about 11-12%, doesn't say, but that's what it is. You click here, you got all the premium up front, and you have all this, which is break even 5% from here. So Apple needs to go down another 5% in a week. I mean, after today anything is possible, but it's already down. It is Apple, you know. At some point people will start buying. That's just my assumption based on history, but anything could happen. And you got 90% win rate. Let's keep going with Nvidia. Got crushed today, price 118. I don't know if you guys remember last month, they went down by, I don't know, 10% in 3 days. One day was 7%, the following day they went up 7%, so that's something to consider. If you see the top 3 by win rate, let's see what we got. This one for August. Okay, and I like the green bull put spread. So you sell, for example, for August 16. That's a month from now. You sell the 110, you buy the 107. Okay, so that's something to consider. You collect $80. And you're risking 300 minus 80, which is $220, okay? And based on history, you should have just collected $50, so this is something to consider. And if you want to go a little deeper, you sell the 109, you buy the 104, but if a video will correct, let's say above 110, let's see how much it is below from here. 37% yield. This is insane. You're already deep in the money. I mean, out of the money, into money. Nvidia needs to go down another 7.4%. Is it possible? Of course, but you got another 7% cushion after 6.6% drop today, and you have a month to do so, and you collect even more than what you should have. So let's say you do 10 contracts, you collect $800 compared to 500. And your total risk is 3,000 minus 800, so 2,200. Actually, a trade that I might consider. We got Amazon, we had Prime Day. Let's see if we got anything interesting. 99%. Look at this. Amazon by August 16 will be below 215. I mean, anything is possible. I don't know when the earning is, but this is like, that's like 15% from here. It could be. etc, etc. Let's see something interesting. I want to check, not Tesla. We already have the 205, 200 or something like that put spread, and even after today it's still 250, 248. I want to check this one, AMD. Okay, I'm just doing this quickly. AMD dropped today by insane amount, 10%. Let's see what we got. Top 3 by win rate. We got our stuff. I want to see green. This is green, 99%. What is that? 99% for a month from now for AMD to be above 135 by expiration in a month. And you collect, let's say you put 0.6, that's $60, and 10 contracts is $600 compared to 5,000 minus 600, 4,400 on the line. And you assume that in a month, I mean, if nothing like bad happen, you have 99% chance of win rate. Should have collected 0. That's the beauty of Market Chameleon. Should have collected 0. Instead, you collect $600 for 10 contracts, of course. 13.1% yield. You're already super deep in the money for your income. And look at this. By expiration, they need to go AMD another 15.7%. So do you believe that AMD will drop 25% in a month, including today? If it happens, okay, but if it doesn't, you collect $60 or 600 for 10 contracts, etc., etc., with a 99% win rate. So that's something to consider. And if I'm surprised that the Russell didn't actually go anywhere, let's see something else in the Condor. I started to see in this in the morning. If you go here, you go not option, you go to a screener. And in the screener, Iron Condor, the second one, okay, this is to sell Condors, which is interesting. I just want to show you real quick. If you do for the next 30 days or so, okay, you can play with this, with all those stuff. And then in here, I like to change the edge, the theoretical edge right here. I click this twice and see what we got. And I start to look at this in the morning, and it's pretty awesome. Not gonna go for a series, which is 113%, which is interesting. You can check, but I'm just, so let's go. I want to go by like the billions, by the big guys. So we got a lot of Starbucks in here, a lot of Starbucks. Let's see what we got. We got Starbucks 67% theoretical edge. The price is $2.20 compared to $1. Price for the trade. Let's see what the trade, just for the example, 75% win rate. This is the Condor. I'm starting to like Condors. I do like Condors. I'm just starting to find them in here on a more consistent basis. So we go to August 2nd, okay, and I assume there's earning because I saw a little asterisk next to it, and it says earning play, which you can click and find more trade opportunities. But just for this example, it's gonna tell you that Starbucks earning is on July 30, so you don't have to hold until then or after. You can hold for the next 2 weeks and let it decay a little bit. But this is the trade, August 2nd, so you can sell before and run analysis, and it tells you basically to sell I'm going to show you exactly. See, you collect $220 compared to 73. This is a nice Condor actually. You are here, your max income is $220 and your max loss is $180. So you're making more than your max loss. This is actually pretty awesome. And you go, look at this, distance to max loss. You need to go down. Starbucks needs to lose 8.2% to the downside or go up 9.1% to the upside. And the max loss is below 69 or above 82. That's actually pretty interesting. And it says what happens if Starbucks doesn't go anywhere. You are collecting 123% yield on your money, which is, yeah, pretty awesome, because your max loss is, as I said, 180 and you collect 220. This is pretty good. This is pretty good, not gonna lie. That's an interesting trade. And if you wanna go even deeper, you can click option strategies detected just for Starbucks, and it tells you all the trades in here 2 weeks before. And then you go here, it tells you exactly what to do: average return, average win rate, sharp ratio, option expiration. It tells you next open date. You can open the trade on July 17, which is basically today, but until you see it, it's probably you can open tomorrow. close the trade either August 1st, July 31st, and this is the expected win rate based on history, average return and average return percentage and Sharpie, and that's the strategy. I own Butterfly, I own Condor, all that good stuff. So something to consider instead of just stay glued to the screen and see that your money on Nvidia 140 call options. I watched some Wall Street bets on Reddit. People put like, I don't know, like 30K from today to tomorrow to like 140 call option. That's crazy stuff going on over there. Something to consider to collect more passive income selling ion Condors. If this was valuable, Market Chameleon 7 days in the description, link below. I'll see you next time. Yeah.